Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha, the Empire from the 27th to the 31st of May 2024 on Monday. It's Hlumelo and Nozuko versus Thulani and Nobomi, who'll win the right to Bulelwa's house. Nonhle is wary of Funeka's antics and expects help from Sivuyile. Desperate time calls for desperate measures. Will Lulama get under off her back on Tuesday? Lulama is shaken when a letter arrives at her home as Nozuko moves on with her renovations plans. Nobomi questions where exactly the funds are coming from. The Makwetus are concerned about Funeka's broken spirits on Wednesday. Hlumelo isn't happy that his integrity is being questioned by Nobomi and Thulani. The Makwetus are all having a hard time dealing with Funeka's situation and threatened to expose Lulama on Thursday. Thulani and Nobomi take on Hlumelo and Nozuko. Lulama visits the love of her life, hoping he'll stop her from getting married. Msimelelo managed to get through to Funeka on Friday. There might be hope for the Makwetus after all. Thulani and Nobomi go to extreme measures to deal with a thorn in their side. Stocky suspects not all his rosy between Lulama and Anda. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.